Hello everybody and welcome back to the farm. Central New York has been blasted by snow this year, but I can't lie, the farm is a beautiful and peaceful place to be when it's blanketed by snow. So please take 5 minutes and come relax with me as we snowshoe through the backwoods of the farm. Thank you for taking a relaxing few minutes and going snowshoeing with me on my farm and through my backwoods, and also listening to me play a beautiful song called Saman by the Icelandic pianist and composer Ólafur Arnalds. At any given time this winter, we've had about 5 feet of snow, and it's become a chore to get to the farm and clear off the beehives and all the other structures that need to be cleared off. I really don't like being out in the snow, but there are certain days where it just feels good to come to the farm, breathe in the fresh air, enjoy the brisk, cool weather, and go snowshoeing. So please stay tuned. There's a lot more to come as winter rolls on, and as we take a look back to see some of the tasks that were accomplished during the spring, summer, and fall of last year. And don't worry, winter and spring content is coming very soon. We can't wait for spring. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.